It's a different story in the southern plains, where producers are finally getting a break from a long period of drought. For the first time in months, the area is seeing some rain. Blake Harold of Ulysses, Kansas, showing us his rain gauge. Some areas seeing 1 to 3 inches over the next few days. Kansas Mesonet showing that some places saw more than an inch, and in several locations, it's the first inch of rain since last summer. While the moisture may be too late to save the winter wheat crop in the southern growing areas, the news may be better in Colorado and Kansas.
That may be enough to help revive a portion of this crop, which is poorly established, had a really rough start through the fall, winter, and early part of spring.
Rippey says the rain will go a long way to helping topsoil moisture levels for planting.